It's snowing. Look at this. Look at this. It's freaking snowing. And we're replacing a flat tire in the snow. Yeah. What's up, guys? So for today's video, we are replacing the blower motor resistor in my Durango. It's gonna be first. The one that I have, it melted through the wires, so we got the adapter here as well. So we're gonna replace all that and hope for the best. I haven't done something like this before, but everything I've seen, it seems pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. And this one even came with the little wire connectors to make it easier to string the wires together. So I'm going to show you guys how to do all of this. It's really easy. All you need is an 8mm, and a set of like wire crimpers, and maybe a little like box cutter. We shall see, and maybe some electrical tape. But let's get into this, and I will show you guys how to do it. Really easy, really simple. Let's go. Guys, first thing you want to do is disconnect your negative battery terminal from your battery. This will be suffice. If you want, you can disconnect your positive too, but just the negative will be fine. We're not working on anything with major electricity going through it, so you only need your negative. Okay, passenger side, underneath, it is right here, is your blower motor resistor. See how it's all melted there? So that's why I have to replace this. So the two bolts, one on that side and one on this side. They're 8mm. Just pop them out, and then we will get to the replacing it. Okay, so here's the old one out. You see how melted up and beat up it is. So I don't know if they just didn't install this one right when they put it in or what, but this is the old one out. Here's the end of the wires. I have to clean this up. I'm gonna take this tape off of here and clean this up to get to the wires, and then we will prep the end of these wires to connect to those wires, and then it'll plug into the new one right here where this one's plugged in. Just it'll be plugged in. Okay, so I took a pair of wire cutters and I snipped this off the end here, so we still got the wires hanging. And then we have this, the two pieces, the new resistor and the clip. Now the clip obviously will slide over the end like this, and we'll need to strip the tips down so we can put them into the connectors. And same on those wires, we'll need to strip the tips so we can get them into here, and then we'll just crimp this down with a pair of pliers. After you get all your wires trimmed up, you kind of want, you know, what is it, like a ½ inch or so on each, like so, all the way across. You're gonna take the wires and you're gonna twist them a little bit. Okay, so let's see if I can't get this. You're gonna take them and just twist it a little bit, like so. It will make it easier to put it into here if you just twist it a little bit so it looks nice and clean. Well, let's see if we can focus. Okay, it'll be a little bit easier to slide in here. Then you're going to slide it in here till it looks something like this. Let's see if we can't get you to focus. Okay, like that. You can just barely see the wire in there, the copper. And then you're gonna put the other side, the other wire, in this side. So the wire that's down there, you're gonna take one of them and stick it in this side. Then you can take your pliers and you can crimp down on this, and you can put a little bit of electrical tape on this end and a little electrical tape on this end so that it doesn't come out. And then I'll show you what that looks like when it's all done. Okay, new one all hooked up. Now we just gotta take it back up into the hole and bolt it back in. Now when you do bolt it back in, keep in mind This is not a perfect square. This is the indent here, so you just gotta find that space on the underneath when you go to bolt it in, and then bolt her up. Okay guys, so that's how you replace your blower motor resistor and the wiring. Really simple, really easy. And don't forget to reconnect your battery after you're done with all this, because I just sat back here and tried to start the thing. I forgot to hook the battery back up, but then I hooked the battery back up. She starts right up perfectly fine. Yeah, so that's that, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful to somebody. This is something I was pushing off for a little bit because I don't really like doing wiring, but had to get done. It's getting cold out here. We're starting to get snow and stuff, so we're gonna need the heater and everything working. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, social media is all down below for you guys to go check out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. All those thumbs up really help the channel. And we're growing. We're almost at 400 subscribers, which is crazy. I never thought we were going to get this far, but we're getting there. We're working our way up. Good vibes, good cruising.